customer here has very kindly insulated this for me. Even putting the tape on, this is exactly how it should be done. A lot of people won't take their time with the insulation like that. The only thing awkward about insulating this way is just you can slip under the ties because they're sort of, can't move them too much. There's a lot of bits on this job that start and stop, do a bit, and the customer has to do something else just to get the next stage of the job ready, because there's lots of different parts of the roof and different bits tying in with each other. It's pretty chilly, but this is the best winter for working. Had for a good while, I'd say. There's been a lot of dry weather. God, these trestles get rocky when they're up like this. Yeah. Was it difficult to get the old seat off?
Well, I can't remember, but probably, yeah, everything on this tractor is
This starter tie on, very easy way of tying walls into existing. Notice vehicle DPC there as well, which actually the customer needs to extend. But he's ground there, so we'll slip down after. Put this block on. This trowel is a bit cumbersome, but I've got to have a long one to reach the back of the block in the cavity, as you just can't get in there to straighten them off. Cool. careful where all these bits are coming in the concrete. It's hard cement. Look at that. Lovely. Still got footage from St. Florence from us doing that retaining wall. I haven't even edited yet.
Yeah, I noticed that, yeah.
Make sure this profile is still. Early spring this year, I reckon. Much more promising, as I'm sure it was just wet until like April last year and we just didn't have a good summer, so it's coming early this year. Nice bit of weather. Like the COVID year, that was amazing. March, April. We'd have that, that'd be awesome. No hold ups on the jobs. Perfect. Some good footage though. That's the 290, and then we'll do the 100 as well. I know 100 is somewhere there. And then a 235.
What are you doing? I haven't got a clue what I'm doing.
Worst thing in the world for blowing in love to put it on as wonky as what I am. Might wrap myself up in this if it carries on being cold. Just like camera, I'll show it on the cavity to show that it's fairly clean.
Oh.
$235, what am I doing?